Need to sign out of the Spectrum TV app on your Xumo device? It's a straightforward process to secure your account, switch users, or troubleshoot app issues. First, understand that signing out terminates your current session and clears cached data, preventing unauthorized access. On your Xumo-enabled TV, navigate to the Spectrum TV channel. Press the key on your remote. Select Settings, then choose Sign Out. You might need to exit the channel and re-enter with a new account. Remember to ensure your Xumo Play app is updated to version 4.0 or later for smooth operation. This process revokes the app's access token, requiring re-authentication for future use. Don't forget, signing out is crucial, especially in shared household environments. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. By following these steps, you'll ensure your Spectrum TV app sessions on Xumo are secure and properly managed. Having trouble signing out? If the sign-out process fails, try force closing the Spectrum TV app or restarting your Xumo device. Poor network connectivity can also interfere with the process, as the app relies on Spectrum servers. Account security is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect against unauthorized access. A strong password adds another layer of defense. Remember, signing out prevents session persistence issues and protects your viewing history from being accessed by other users. Be aware of the increasing trend towards personalized, multi-account ecosystems. Spectrum's updates now allow multiple devices per account with easy switching, but signing out remains a key step for managing these accounts securely on Xumo. In the future, expect AI-enhanced account management, such as auto logout features, to further streamline this process.